In this video, I'm going to teach you how we are going to trade with ABCD pattern. ABCD is a very powerful pattern. It is used in many of these harmonic chart patterns. If you have traded with Gartley pattern or butterfly pattern, then you should know that Gartley pattern basically comprises of this ABCD pattern, butterfly pattern, or all other harmonic patterns are basically comprised of this ABCD pattern. So let me show you how we want to identify this pattern. This is the bullish ABCD pattern. First, we have a down move AB. Then we have a retracement BC. After that, again, we have a down move CD. Ideally, this AB should be equal, AB leg should be equal to the CD leg. It can also be a Fibonacci ratio. For example, it can be 1.27, can be 0.68. CD can be 0.68 of AB. CD can also be 1.27 of AB, 1.618 of AB, 2 of AB. We also use these ratios. This is a leading indicator. So once this price forms this AB and BC retracement, then we can draw a projection CD. It can be AB should be equal to CD, or it can be 0.618. And at this point, then we wait and see how the price action is behaving. If we have got candlestick reversal patterns forming at this level, and the ratio is a Fibonacci ratio of this AB, then we know that price is about reversing. So this is that bullish AB CD pattern, and this is that bearish AB CD pattern. First, the price moves up, then there's a retracement, and then again price moves up. As I've said, AB ideally should be equal to CD, but it can also be a Fibonacci ratio. For example, it can be 0.618 of AB. CD can also be 1.27 of AB, 1.618 of AB, or 2 of AB. BC, this retracement also should be a Fibonacci ratio. It can be 0.382 of AB, or it can be 0.618 of AB. Even it can be close to this. Sometimes you'll find that price retraces almost to this A level. This is what we call this double bottom pattern. It's in the same way price can trace up to this A level. We call it double top pattern. So ABCD is a very powerful pattern. You can use it in your trading. It's a leading indicator. It tells you right at the spot in 1-2 candles that price is reversing itself. Not have to wait long to know that price is planning to reverse itself. So let's see how we are going to identify it now on a real chart. This is the Euro-Yen daily chart. This is a very good AB leg. Then there's a retracement BC. And now we have got this CD. AB, BC, CD. Okay. How do we know that this is an AB is equal to CD pattern? we calculate this AB leg. Then we compare it with this CD leg. So let me show how we do it. See, this is the Python. A was 13, B was 131.593, and A was 127.503. I've subtracted it, so it was a 400 pip move on the daily chart, Euro Yen. And C, D was 133.142, and C was 128.235. It was 4.9, means 490 pip move. It can, if we make it 4.0, it was that AB into 1.618, that is the Fibonacci ratio. It makes 660 pips, so it's not possible. Then we have 4.08, this AB leg into 1.27, 5.1816, so 518 pips. So basically, this is ideally AB is equal to CD pattern. So we add 4.08 to the C point, 128.235, so it's 132.315. So this is the price level where this pattern is telling us that price is going to reverse itself. So let's see on the chart. See, this is C, A, B, B, C. This is the C point and this is the D point. We add 400 pips to C point and we are somewhere over here. So see, this big candle is forming at that very level. So see, after that, see a strong price reversal and price went down 500 pips. In the same way, let's see good reversal pattern forming. AB leg, daily pound yen, pound dollar chart. This is the daily pound dollar chart. BC leg, retracement. And this CD leg. See, AB, BC, CD, the CD is 0.618 of this AB. After that, you see a very strong reversal. Now, you must be seeing these red and green dots. These red and green dots help me identify this ABCD chart pattern. How do we plot these red and green dots? You see, these red and green dots. Here also we have got a powerful bullish ABCD pattern. You see, AB, then this BC, then this CD. After that, you see a very nice move. So how do we plot these red and green dots? I coded them in MQL5. I have provided the link below in the description. You can download that peaks and valley indicator. Let me show you the peaks and valley indicator that draws these red and green dots. This is the peaks and valley MQL5 indicator that I've coded. You can download the code in the description. I have provided the link both for MQL5 M5 and M12.4, both are provided. So you can use the version for MT5 as well as the version for MT4 also. It finds the peaks and valleys. So this is how we are going to identify this ABCD chart pattern. Here you see this is the A, B, B, C, C, D, and there here after that you see this is the inside bar is forming. So it's an indication that the price is reversing, and this is almost AB is equal to CD. So this is another indication that this inside bar is significant. It's important, and then we can see price made a huge reversal. It was huge move. $500 pip move. So you master this ABCD pattern. I provide the link to the peaks and valley indicator. It will plot these red and green dots. Red is that peak and green is that valley. One thing I missed was this thing. Let me explain it. This retracement C point should not go above A. In case of a bullish ABCD pattern, it can be almost equal to A, but C point should not go above this A. In the same way, in the bearish, the C point should not go below this A. So if it goes below this A, then this pattern becomes invalid. I hope you like this video.